So hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing perfect guys. So talking only guys, I'm doing fantastic guys. So can you please guess me where I am right now? I know more than 95% people don't know where I am right now. So this is the Pashupati vision guys, and this is situated in the left side of the Pashupatinath temple guys, as you can see. Look. Basically, as you can see, Kapali Udyan guys. This place is usually renowned for Kapali Udyan. Look, this place is for the meditation room, but there is no allow for any kind of dating guys, any kind of couple. This place is for very much good things guys, exceptional things. Guys, and they have even put a lot of CC camera inside of here. So please do not do any kind of wrong activities. Come over with me. Come over with me. Sorry. Just look at the beautiful place, guys. If you are staying away from the Gosal also, guys, and I don't think there would be anyone better place than this place, guys. Look at the place, guys. This place is so much greenery, guys, and so, guys, hey, show it here. Guys, did you recognize it? What is it? I know more than 65% Nepalese people have it in their home. So this is kind of fruit, basically, guys, flowers, and it is usually decorated in their yard to make their home more attractive, guys. You know? Come over here. The cameraman. So it's an every greenery view of here. Every. Please do not miss even a single view. Eh? So guys, if you don't know the location about this place, then please, I'm going to put it into my bio of the YouTube, and you can go there and you can even visit here, guys. Hey? And guys, I'm making this video especially for the people who are encountering for some amazing place, guys. So please come here and visit again, right? So guys, I'm even going to show you each and every greenery place of this Pashupatinath temple, guys. So, guys, instead of wasting your lot of money with some random girls, with some random guys, it's way much better to come out in this place and vibe with your friend, guys, hang out with your friends. This is one of the best therapy for you guys. If you are going through depression, guys, if you are going through anxiety, then I don't think there would be any better place like this, guys. Look at the place, guys. My God. Yes, and as you can see, I'm mentioning them like these people are the cleaner of this place, guys. Huh? I'm going to show you. Initially, you have to go there, man. Come on. You can't imagine how beautiful the place is, Vanera. I'm even going to explore each and every place. Okay, first of all, we have to go there. But be cautious while you're walking there, right? Because here are a lot of dogs and they might can bark towards us or they might can attack us over. Look at. Do you know what is this guy? This is the guy. Kind of. I even don't know what is it called in English, guys. Though basically in Nepali we usually call it dubo, guys. And guys, as you can see, this is one of the close friends, Orlami. Basically, we have played our +2 from the same college that I have played, and as far as I know about him, guys, he's a very hardworking, authentic, and diligent guy. On the right hand, guys, they are doing some kirtan. So here are some people who are making some vlogs or who are consuming gaja, churro, guys. This is the fact of life. I have seen a lot of people who have given the priority. I know, who have given their love, their fun over anything, guys. So stop doing this kind of things, guys, because we even don't know whether our future will exist in the future or not. Did you see it? I think you will be amazed after seeing this place, okay? Literally, just look at the place, man. Guys, one problem that I'm facing while speaking is my spitting problem, guys. It's not a banana, yaar. Hey, that's the banana, yeah. That's kind of unique banana. Do you wanna see it? Huh? Okay. So guys, look. Do you know what is this? Is kind of pipe, guys. I even don't know what it's called in English, but this is kind of pipe, guys, and they usually saturn the water from this pipe into the plants or each and everything, guys. Eh? You guys, here is one girl who is waiting for someone else. I even don't know whom she is waiting, but still, and I even don't want to know about, guys. Sorry? Japanese kera? Okay, nice. Guys, I just found a fantastic or unique kind of plant. The plant name is, guys, Japanese mango, guys. Sorry, Japanese banana, guys. I have heard about Nepalese banana, Indonesian banana, but I haven't heard about Japanese banana. I'd love to watch it out, guys. But come here are a lot of beautiful places, okay? Who might can mesmerize you, amaze you. Guys, I don't know the meaning of this. Wow, what is called? But please don't forget to put it into the comment, hey guys. Do you know what it's called, Sati? What it is called? Look at how beautiful places, my god. Guys, I usually come on this place on the daily basis because I find peace, unwind, guys. And instead of staying at the cozy room, guys, it's way much better to explore the places. It helps you to enrich your mind, guys. Oh man, what are you doing? Okay, you can. Well, guys, basically, guys, this is the Dorlani, guys, and he's madly in love with someone else, guys. That's why he's even making each and every video so that he can send to his girlfriend, guys. Look, inside this place, guys, we even can't eat anything, we even can't smoke, we even can't drink, guys. So make sure do not bring any kind of bad things here. Okay, guys, there are a lot of dogs, guys, which inside the cage. If mistakenly they came out, then I don't think we will be alive, guys. They might can attack us, assault us, and they might can take our life as well, guys. Come on, you have to come here. Do you like it? It's way much better than that Tamil, yeah? It's way much better than that Tamil. Do you have ID card in your home? ID card. So make sure to bring ID card while coming here, okay? From the next time. Look at, guys, what a beautiful place is there. Do you find amazing place it? There's one auntie, guys, who is what is that called? Who's watering all the grass, all the plant, guys, and I have a huge respect for such kind of people, guys, who did this kind of work, guys. Like they consider as one of the most independent women, guys. And there is kind of place where you can usually stay with girlfriend, boyfriend. Do you wanna sit? Come. Guys, look at the place here. Do you wanna see the heaven, guys? Do you genuinely wanna see the heaven? So look at the heaven, guys. It's kind of heavenly as well. I'll consider it as a heaven. Look at, guys, how properly they have maintained this kind of plant. I don't think Sadi or 50 rupees worth it na, worth money. Guys, if I had to pay 100 rupees, then I will still pay the 100 rupees and I will come here, guys, because I don't have cherry means that kind of red food, small red food, guys. Inside of this case there are a lot of dogs as well, so make sure not to go close to there because they might can attack you as well. Look, they're barking, they are trying to attacking us, Basically, guys, this is the upstairs, guys, Guys, I know my English is not much good, and whenever I try to speak I speed up little bit, but still I am trying my best, guys. So please give me some feedback about how can I improve my English. Okay, there's one couple. Wow, there's one couple who are kissing each other, guys. They know, even after knowing all the things, still they are doing it, guys. This is the plant of couple, guys. As I was seeing these two people, they came here for dating, guys, because as I already mentioned you guys, this place is one of the best place for the dating, guys. Do you know them? Huh? They are the classmate of our college. Literally, my college, they're learning, they are studying in the baby's class, in the same class of mine, guys. Huh? Whom? From our college or from our school?
Our college.
Yeah, I even don't know whom are talking about. Could you please tell me your skin tone? What's the white or black? Hey, to taller. Is she cute?
Could
you please tell me your skin tone? Hey, to Gori, na? I know. Oh, she's at where did you find her? Huh? Where better? And what they were doing? Hiking? At the same day? Are you sure? My god, oh fantastic, guys. Look at the place, man. God, this is the heaven, guys. Guys, those couple were steering me because they already know I'm making the video. But still, guys, who cares? I'm not here to impress anyone, and I even don't want, guys. Look at the guys plant. I know you guys had already recognized what the name of this plant, guys. Basically, guys, I even don't know what I call in English, but Basically, guys, gaba. Basically, we called it gaba in our language, guys. What is it? We usually used to eat the vegetables of this plant. Decoration. Oh, it's a decoration. So guys, if you ever need any kind of plant inside here, so please make sure to come and visit here, right, guys? Yeah, just told me ki. Oh, I know. Thank you for reminding me, my friend. Thank you. What do you want to do here? Let's go, man. Come on, man. We have to take a rest as well because, guys, today we visited a lot. Today we went to the Tamil and had a lot of fun there, guys. Literally. And this day is one of the most best and busiest day in my entire life division, guys, because from the morning I haven't taken any kind of rest. There is no allow for us to go from here, man. We need to go from down. Did you get it what I'm saying? Hey guys, whoever watching me, guys, they are definitely feeling jealous, envious, but still it's your duty to feel jealous, right? It's my duty to enjoy my life. I'm definitely going to enjoy, guys, and I'm going to post this video on my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, please guys help me to get my subscriber, to put some comment, because guys, I have been doing a lot. I have been working so much fucking harder just to gain some views, just to gain some subscriber, guys. That's why always believe on yourself, guys. Look, I'm trying to reflecting myself in front of camera, guys. I look like a Hrithik Roshan, guys, even though I don't, but still always think you are the best, guys. Doesn't matter people are liking you or not. And as you can see, there is a dog which barking towards me. Guys, after arriving here, guys, I did one thing. I made this dog as my friend. Come.